A ruling by the Ministry of Road Transport and Highways has banned helmets that do not have an ISI mark from the 1st of June 2021. The blanket ban on the non-ISI helmets was originally announced in November last year, which required all two-wheeler helmets sold to be certified by the Bureau of Indian Standards and thus should bear the Indian Standard or ISI mark. So according to the ruling, anyone using a two-wheeler and not using an ISI helmet will be liable to be prosecuted and penalized from the 1st of June 2021. The ban though also extends to the manufacturing, storing, selling and importing of non-ISI helmets. Those found flouting rules will be liable to face imprisonment of 1 year as well as a fine of 1 lakh rupees, which can be extended to 5 lakh rupees. The ban is aimed to stop the sale of fake and substandard helmets in the country. Fuel prices in India have gone up again after remaining unchanged for 2 days. The price of petrol has increased by up to 28 paise per litre, while diesel has become dearer by 30 paise per litre. In the nation's capital Delhi, the price of petrol today stands at 94 rupees and 76 paise per litre, which is 27 paise more than the previous day. Diesel, on the other hand, is priced at 85 rupees and 66 paise per litre, receiving a hike of 28 paise. In Mumbai, petrol prices have almost touched the 101 rupee mark, whereas diesel rates have gone up to 92 rupees and 69 paise per litre, receiving a 30 paise hike. The fuel rates vary from state to state in the country due to the value-added tax. Fiat Brazil has unveiled its new Pulse compact SUV and the model is exclusive to the Latin American market. The all-new offering is built on the company's MLA platform and claims to offer better performance, robustness and comfort. The name Pulse was selected based on a contest where 65% consumers in Brazil voted for the nameplate. The Fiat Pulse looks butch yet urban and comes with LED DRLs and lower black cladding. Power on the SUV is likely to come from the 1-litre 3-cylinder turbocharged petrol engine with 123 brake horsepower and 200 Nm of peak torque. There is also likely to be the 1.3-litre naturally aspirated petrol with 109 brake horsepower and 139 Nm of peak torque. Fiat could also offer the 1.3-litre turbocharged petrol that currently powers the Brazilian spec Jeep Compass. Fiat will launch the SUV later this year in Brazil. Meanwhile, there are no plans to bring this model to India anytime soon.
Hey folks, I hope you liked this video. Please leave a comment and tell us just how much you liked it. If you didn't like it, well, also leave us a comment so we know exactly what we should be improving. Your feedback is like gold for us.